It started out as a cafeteria problem. Too many students, not enough time. How to speed things up? Something called flex lunch. There turned out to be side benefits.
It's really changing the climate of the school and the environment of the school.
Wednesday morning at Campbell County High School in Jacksboro, Tennessee.
How's it going this morning, Adele?
Principal Jamie Wheeler is trying to head off trouble.
Did you get in trouble yesterday in Spanish?
Said I was talking and something, and I told her I was.
It's good to get to know the students and walk around, talk to them, find out what's going on. I'm serious.
What's going on? In Jacksboro, Tennessee, population 2,000? You've got to be kidding.
It's never going to happen here. You know, we're just a rural, country type school, and it's never going to happen. Well, it did.
On November 8th, 2005, a 14-year-old student shot a principal and 2 assistant principals at Campbell County High School. The principal died, and in an instant, Jacksboro became one of the places where it does happen.
And it was a very, very scary situation.
How to reduce the risk that such a tragedy will ever happen again? Build relationships using Flex Lunch. What exactly is Flex Lunch?
It's a great idea, an hour lunch.
An hour in which kids are free to do pretty much whatever they want.
You know, me personally, I sit in front of the chorus room or in the chorus room and play music.
I really just sit around and talk to my friends. I don't really do much.
We have a break in the middle of the day, and it's almost like a release for them. They can socialize, they can talk to one another.
The erythrocytes of mammals lack what?
The school provides a long list of Flex Lunch activities for students to choose from. Students can practice close order drill for junior ROTC. Oh, say, can you see? Students can go to choir practice.
We need to talk about our community service project.
Student council meetings, once held after school, now convene during Flex Lunch.
The kids love it. Absolutely. It's their favorite part of the day. And they get to do things they normally don't get to do.
If you like your singing and you like it organized, John Edwards is the man to see.
I teach vocal music at Campbell County High School.
In addition to normal classes, John Edwards leads this Flex Lunch group called Ensemble. In this less formal setting, students are more likely to get to know each other and their teachers.
It lets kids get a little more personally involved with the teachers, get to know them a little better.
More PT, Joe Sergeant, more PT!
I came out of my shell. I used to be really quiet and I didn't know how to communicate with people. And now I can sit and have a conversation with a total stranger.
Here at Campbell County High School, folks are convinced the path to safer schools is not only better law enforcement, but better relationships. Relationships built during Flex Lunch.
The best possible thing you could do. If you want to build relationships between teachers and students and administration, teachers and students, it's the best thing you can do.